Okay, now let us talk of natural gas. See, natural gas is a very important fossil fuel. Why? Because it is very easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas, that is called CNG, and CNG is used for power generation, also as a fuel for transport vehicles, because it is less polluting. It's a clean fuel compared to petrol and diesel. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories, where it can be supplied through pipes. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara, even in Surat. Right? Even Surat, where we have piped natural gas. Right? Instead of CNG, we use the word PNG, piped natural gas. It's a type of CNG. CNG is in car and PNG is supplied at our homes. Natural gas is used as a starting material for the manufacture of number of chemicals and fertilizers. Now, India has a vast resource or vast reserves of natural gas, mainly in Tripura, in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is maybe supposed to be number one now in supply of natural gas. In places of Maharashtra, in Krishna and Godavari Delta, etc. Even in Gujarat, we have natural gas reserves. Now, one question was asked, can coal, natural gas and petroleum be prepared in laboratory from dead organism? The answer is no. Why? Because it's a very slow process, and the conditions for their formation, which condition? High temperature and high pressure, cannot be created in the laboratory. Okay, now let's talk of a new topic. Some natural resources are limited. Right? We talked of them. They are exhaustible natural resources. So what should we do? So coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Right? We know that coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. It required the dead organisms millions of years to get converted into these fuels. On the other hand, the known reserves of these will last at most a few hundred years. यानी लाखों साल लगे बनने में, उसको यूज करने में कुछ 100 साल में हम उसको यूज कर डालेंगे. Moreover, burning of these fuels causes air pollution. They are a big link to global warming. Right? Their use is linked to global warming. So it is necessary now. It is necessary that we use these fuels only when absolutely necessary. अगर हम उसका यूज कम करेंगे, they will result in better environment, smaller risk of global warming, and availability for a longer period of time. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Organization (PCRA) advises people how to save petrol diesel while driving. What tips they give? To drive at a constant and moderate speed, switch off the engine at traffic lights or at places where you have to wait, ensure correct tire pressure, and ensure regular vehicle maintenance. Right? अगर ये करेंगे तो हमारा एवरेज बढ़ेगा और हम कम पेट्रोल और डीजल यूज़ करेंगे. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो ये पूरा लेसन यहाँ पे एंड होता है. What we have learned in this lesson, the key words, and now the question answers which we have to write and learn them. Okay, it was very easy lesson. It's an interesting lesson also. 9th standard में और 10th में भी वापस ये lesson थोड़ा डिटेल्स में आएगा ही. तो अभी 8 से ही आप उसको perfectly prepare कर दो. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.